welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to invest in stocks on Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So investing on stocks means to buy the stocks from your Cash App. So for this you need to first of all open your Cash App app. Once you have opened it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now you need to simply scroll down and find the stock section. Once you find the stock section, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. Here, it is listed all the stocks that you have purchased and the accumulated value of that particular stocks. So now simply scroll down below and there you can find different kind of stocks that you have owned, and different kind of stocks can be searched from the search bar as well. Simply tap on any of the stock you want to invest or buy, and once you have found it, you need to simply tap on the buy option, which is right besides the sell. So once you tap on it, you need to now give them a number, like some dollars equivalent to which you want to buy the stocks. So once you have done this, you need to go through a verification process and you will be investing in stocks through Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.